If you can't find this on the page in 2 seconds, people are gone. People are bye-bye, they're gone. This is something that you gotta make sure they know what you do and where you do it at. It's gotta be mobile friendly. If it's not mobile friendly, it can look amazing on the website, on your computer, but if it looks like crap on your phone, they're not coming. It's just what it is. And then, like I said, the service versus location is some things that you're looking at. Search engine optimization, SEO, it's one that you might hear it called snake oil, all different kinds of things. Again, it's a way to get free traffic from Google. People are searching. These are things that we are trying to do for keywords, and some of the stuff for SEO has changed over years. Lots of things have changed. In the past, whoever had the most keywords on the page won that click. And so people would literally go and put it in white so you couldn't see it, those keywords. So these are all things that you can do. So you can see here the title tags. This is gonna come up right here. The meta description is gonna come up right here. H1, H2 is gonna get smaller in as we go. We wanna make sure that we're not uploading big pictures, because if we upload big pictures, our page speed goes down. Everybody has ADD in 2025, and if your website loads slower than 3 or 4 seconds, they're jumping off. You really want to be under that 2-second mark is where you really want to be at. And so big pictures will hurt you if you have big pictures. So you can use a tool like Tiny PNG, and it will squish that picture down so it's not as large picture for your Google business. I think I'd tell you it on there somewhere. Key metrics, yeah. 5 simple tricks, city plus title pages. These are big right now because the city title pages are getting probably one of the bigger things. Like the websites I'm building now, I'm pushing a lot of the city pages because I'm trying to feed Google all these city pages that we are doing. Neighborhood pages, we're trying to push it to Google that, hey, this is where it is.